Flood warning in effect from Friday morning until further notice. What minor flooding is forecast? Where? Cache River near Patterson. When? From Friday morning until further notice. Impacts at 10.0 feet. Pastoral and cropland not protected by levees in Jackson and Woodruff counties affected. Water is over portions of State Highway 37 and deep along the shoulders of State Highway 18 near Grubbs. Water over portions of Woodruff County Road 775 north of State Highway 260. Additional details at 8:15 p.m. with 5.7 feet. Forecast. Due to heavy rain in the forecast over the next 24 hours, the river is expected to rise above flood stage late Friday morning and continue rising to 9.9 feet Monday morning. Flood stage is 9.0 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates.